Japan Visa Application. Visa application through accredited agencies. 1. Effective 30 July 2007, all visa applications except cases indicated in 2 below must be coursed through travel agencies accredited by the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines. 2. Visa application for cases below may be applied directly by the applicants at the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines or the consular offices in Cebu or Davao. Diplomatic or official visas. Visas for invitees directly by the Japanese government and independent administrative agencies of Japan. Visas for invitees directly by local government of Japan or national, municipal educational institutions to participate in educational, cultural and youth exchange programs. Visas for awardees of Japanese government scholarship. Visas for commercial purpose of employees of a joint venture company or of companies that are members of the Japanese Chamber of Commerce and Industry in the Philippines. Visas for special cases requiring humanitarian consideration such as serious illness of a relative in Japan. Visas for applicants who have custody of the biological child of Japanese national and whose purpose is to raise the child in Japan. Note 1. The registered agencies by the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines for entertainer and Nikkeijan visa applications will continue to apply visa applications. For Nikkeijan applicants, Japanese descendants born before the end of World War II, with Certificate of Eligibility visa application will still be accepted directly from the applicants at the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines or at the consular offices in Cebu or Davao. Note 2. For applicants indicated above 2, an employee, staff from the same company, institution may apply on behalf of the applicant. In this case, please present proof of identification (ID) of representative and authorization letter from the applicant upon filing of visa application. Note 3. For visa applicants at the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines, please get a numbered ticket for direct application from the guard at the entrance of the embassy. Applications are accepted in order of the number. Application procedure. Applications applied through accredited agencies. Applications are accepted during weekdays from 8:40 a.m. Upon acceptance, a receipt with an 8-digit application number will be issued to the accredited agency. Applications not applied through accredited agencies. Any application indicated above 2 will be accepted at the following. Embassy of Japan in the Philippines. Applications are accepted during weekdays from 8:40 a.m. Please get the numbered ticket for direct application at the entrance gate of the embassy from 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Upon acceptance, a receipt with an 8-digit acceptance number and initial verification date will be issued by the embassy. Cebu and Davao consular offices. Applications are accepted during weekdays from 8:40 a.m. until 12:30 p.m. Applicants will be informed of the next verification date by telephone call. Necessary time for visa application and examination. 1. For visa application filed through accredited agencies, at least 1 week 5 working days from the date of acceptance by the embassy is necessary to be processed and released of passports to the accredited agencies. If, however, the passport has not been returned after more than a week, the applicant who need to verify the status of the application may inquiry to the embassy confirming the 8-digit acceptance number from your chosen agency. Please be reminded that without the 8-digit acceptance number, the status of the application cannot be verified with the name and date of birth of applicants. 2. For visa application filed directly to the embassy, date indicated in the receipt given upon application. Passports will be released if examination has been completed by that date. 3. If visa is issued, passport with visa will be returned to applicant. If visa is denied, only passport will be returned to applicant. 4. Depending on examination, additional documents may be necessary, or personal appearance of applicants may be requested, or inquiry at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Immigration Bureau of Japan regarding the application may be necessary and examination may not be completed by the scheduled date of departure to Japan. Thus please apply early and allot enough time for situations like this. At the same time, please be informed that we cannot accommodate requests for early release of passports for scheduled date of departure. Visa fees. 1. Temporary visitor visa for Philippine nationals is gratis. 2. Diplomatic and official visas are gratis. 3. For other visa fees, please check the consular fees. As mentioned above, for applications filed through accredited agency, aside from the visa fee collected by the embassy, a handling fee must be paid to the accredited agency. Purpose of application. 1. Applicant must apply for visa according to the purpose of your travel. Temporary visitor's visa is visa for those who plan to stay for not more than 90 days for the purpose of activities such as sightseeing, commercial purpose, conference, and visit to relatives or acquaintances only. It is not allowed in temporary visitors' visa activities, employment, entertainment etc. that earn compensation or training with training allowance or included on the job training. If the purpose is to stay longer than 90 days, to live with spouse or to study etc., or to engage in activities, employment, entertainment etc. that earn compensation even if stay is for 90 days or less, or if a training allowance is paid or included in the training, please consult with the nearest immigration office in Japan, obtain the appropriate certificate of eligibility (CO), and apply for a visa. 2. As a rule, please apply together if 2 or more applicants will travel at the same schedule and for the same purpose. 3. Submission of requirements does not guarantee issuance of visa. 4. If document submitted for application is verified by embassy or consular office as fake or tampered, visa is not issued. 5. Documents submitted for application will not be returned. 6. Applicants are given 3 months to submit additional requirements. Otherwise, application will be terminated. 7. Reason for the denial of visa will not be disclosed even if an inquiry is made. At the same time, if a visa application is denied, applicant may only re-apply for the same purpose after 6 months. Source: website of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan. https://www.ph.emb-japan.go.jp/itper_in/000261.html. Share to your friends.